Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a patterns for front wrap dress. This is side front wrap dress, good for maternity collection. This is the front opening. Let's start with the pattern making. We need French curve ruler, paper, scissor, paper or pencil and measuring tape. Take a drafting paper, fold into half. Mark a point, shoulder point 7.5 inch. Total shoulder is 15 inch, half of is 7.5. Then armhole depth is 7.5 inch. Join the lines. Next we can mark shoulder strap. Shoulder strap is for good fitness. Make a point from shoulder to bust area. Point at 10.5 to 11 inch. You can mark the point for the bust area. Join the lines. Next is waist point. Shoulder to waist is 15 inch. Mark the line. This is the body's length. Shoulder to waist. Next is the chest point. Extend the points, chest area. Total chest width is 40 inch. Mark a point at 9.5 or 10 into 4 is 40 inch. Then best point is 10 inch. The waist is 9.5. I'm making a maternity collection, so mark the point, chest, bust and waist. Next we can do the arm width measurement. Armhole area. Mark a 1 inch point in the center. For the arm curve, armpit area is sloping point. It's a front back armpit point. Armhole measurement is 9 inch, so total be 18 inch. And back armpit is more deeper than front. Sorry, front is more deeper than back. Okay, point at 1 inch and make more deeper point for the front. Mark the notches. 2 notches means back and the 1 notch point means front. Pattern is ready for the front and back. Total shoulder measurement is 7.5. Of this 3.5 inch for shoulder width. Rest 4 inch for the neckline. My neckline is more deeper. Neck width is 4 inch and neckline depth is 8 inch, creating a V neckline. V neckline for the front. Mark front. For the back, I'm drawing a simple round neckline. Neckline depth is 5 inch and width the same 4 inch. Make a square line, then create the round neckline with a French curve ruler. Back, now the whole pattern is ready for front and back. No seam allowances included in this pattern. Cut the pattern using paper scissor. Total length is 15 inch. Now the pattern is ready for front and back. Next I will do the cutting for back, fabric cutting for back, then I will work on front pattern. Do the cutting for back panel fabric. Mark the seam allowance, ½ inch for the shoulder. No seam allowance in the sleeve, armhole area. For the side seam, 2 inch for the side seam, and the body's hem is 1 inch. Mark a 1 inch point throughout the hem. Cut the fabric using fabric scissor. Mark the notches. Back pattern is always having 2 notches. Mark the notches in armhole area. The neckline cutting is pending. Mark the notches and slash the notches for armhole, side seam and the shoulder. Only neckline cutting is pending. Let's start work with the front wrap pattern. Now the same pattern we used for back, and I will do modification and changes in the pattern for the front. I'm extending from the V neckline for the wrap front opening. Mark a point, 2 inch point from the side and body's hem in right corner, and give a slanting line extending from the neckline using French curve ruler. Join the 2 points and make a line. This is the shape for the front wrap closure. Front pattern is ready. This pattern, front pattern, we are using for the front panel. Cut the sleeve depth for the front. Armhole is 1 inch deeper than back. This is the pattern for the front panels. Cut 2 means cut 2 pieces, fabric pieces for the right and left patterns. Next we can do the cutting for front panels. Fabric cutting we can do one by one for the right and left panels. Mark the seam allowance on the side 2 inch, shoulder 1/2 inch, and for the hem 1 inch. Mark the notches after the cutting. One side cutting done, you can do the next side. And the neckline of the back we can do neckline cutting. All the panels done. Front 2 panels, right and front panels, right and left panels, back front panels, and also included. The V-neck. This is for the back. One piece back panel and lining included. Next we have to do the bottom part, that skirt part of the dress. For the bottom part, I am creating gathers for the skirt side. So there is no specific measurement required for the gathers. If we need more gathers, we have to add more fabric for the gather creation. My hem measurement is 12 inch. So the total is 24 inch for the hem, waist hem. For my bottom part, I am measuring the total fabric is 55 inch. 55 inch gathers I am creating for the 24 inch width back side. The same measurement fabric I am using in the front also, the 55 inch. Waist total is 24 inch. Gathers make maximum fullness to the dress. Next we can measure the total length of the dress. The body side, shoulder to the waist is total 15 inch and the bottom part is total 32 inch. So the overall dress measurement is 46 to 47 inch, and the hem I am planning double turn sewing, 1 inch of double turn sewing. We can arrange the fabric and the lining together for further sewing. This is a V-shaped neckline for the front, the wrap front. So put the lining and fabric right sides together and pin it the neckline side for clean finish sewing. Mark the notches in both the sides, in fabric and lining side. This is the neckline part of the front panel. Do a 1/4 inch sewing and slash the sewing cutting, then turn the fabric to the right side for clean finish neckline. Do the same process on neck side, left side panel. Attach both fabric and the lining right sides together, like right side face each other, and pin the neckline side. Do a 1/4 inch sewing, then slash it, slash or cut the excess. For the front panel, the bottom part out of 55, I'm dividing into half for both left and right panels, so I can create the gathers separately with the bodice part. Gather creation is very simple. So my cutting part finished. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and for the notification click the bell icon. Once again,